If you're looking for revolutionary lip shades that actually flatter brown, wheatish or dusky skin, this video is for you. Today I'm reviewing 3 gorgeous shades, Wifey Dusk, Sweet Rose and Sour Berry with swatches, how they look on deeper skin tones and which one is worth buying. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love affordable makeup and honest swatches on brown skin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. These revolution shades have been getting a lot of attention, but choosing the right shade online can be confusing. So today I will show you how each shade looks and who I think it suits best. First up is Wifey Dusky. This is a beautiful dusky pink nude with a soft satin finish. The formula feels creamy, lightweight and comfortable on the lips. Revolution describes it as a dusty pink nude with a long wearing satin finish. On medium to dusky skin, this looks like a natural everyday pink. It's perfect for office wear, college or minimal makeup days. Next is Sweet Rose. This shade has a glossy finish with a soft rosy pink tone. On brown skin, it gives that fresh, healthy looking lips without looking too pale. It's perfect if you love glossy lips and still have enough pigment show up beautifully. If you enjoy natural makeup with a juicy finish, this shade is definitely worth checking out. Community discussions also suggest Sweet Rose is especially flattering on wheatish or dusky skin tones. Finally, we have Sour Berry. This is the boldest shade among the three, a berry mouth that instantly brightens the face. If you're wearing simple eye makeup but want your lips to stand out, Sour Berry is a beautiful option. It works especially well for evening makeup, festive occasion, or whenever you want a richer lip color. Makeup enthusiasts have also compared it to your gloss berry shades from higher end brands. If I could only choose one for everyday wear, I would definitely pick Wifey Dusky. For glossy natural makeup, Sweet Rose is my favorite. And if I want something bold and elegant, I would definitely go with Sour Berry. I hope this comparison helped you decide which revolution lip shade is right for you. Comments which one is your favorite, Wifey Dusky, Sweet Rose or Sour Berry. If you like more affordable makeup reviews for brown and dusky skin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.